All right, guys. We got a handyman issue going on here. We walked in the house and Duane smelled like something was, I don't know, like an burning or electrical or whatever. So he went and got his handy dandy tools.
Well, and then okay, this is the fireplace that I've already taken out. And on the front, it has a little LED thing that tells you what your temperature is and all. And it had an error code of E3. So I looked it up and it meant that it was, for some reason, overheating. We've never cleaned it. So that's what I'm going to do. I turned it off and turned off the breaker. Got that done. Turned it back on. The breaker came back on. Error code's gone. But I'm going to go ahead and clean it anyway. Because we've never cleaned it before. So that's what I'm going to do. And I had to take it out. This glass piece that's in front. And then took all the screws out over here on each side. And then it just comes right out. So back here, you can see there's some dust in there. I already cleaned the dust off the front. So we've been using it a lot here lately. So I'm pretty sure with the temperature.
A little dusty in there.
Yeah.
Ooh, I need to get the vacuum cleaner.
Yep, we're going to get the vacuum cleaner and clean back there too. All right. We'll let you know what happens once I take all these screws out. So, just in case you didn't know what these fireplaces look like, this is it. You know, you get the little, effect on the back. They got little, looks like aluminum, but it's plastic. And then the LED lights behind it that light up. And then this up here, this little thing right here is what creates the heat. And, and there's a fan right there. So that's where all that heat comes from, and it's kind of dusty. So I'm just gonna clean this the best I can. And that's probably the thermostat right there. Alright, I'll get that done and I'll bring y'all back.
Oh, that was turning.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That blows some dust around there. So that's pretty clean now.
Now what is that little piece?
This is the fan. Yeah,
okay.
This is the fan. And this is the heater part. So it blows air through there and it comes out here. Mm-hmm. So this little part is all that does all that heating. All this for your rig.
Cool. Or warm, whichever.
Oh, yeah. More of the warm than cool, I think. So let's put it back together now. Okay. All right. So we're getting ready to plug all this back up. On mine, there's a socket in here, and this got its own breaker. I already turned that off, but I also have one of my little TV gadgets plugged into that also to hide that. We vacuumed it out, wiped it out. I'm getting ready to put this back, and this just sits in this hole. It just screws right right in. Let's get these started. Glass on. There are actually some little slots that fit in. Make sure they're in there good. Yep. And we cleaned off the glass. Now the final 2 screws. Ta-da! There we go. We're back in business. Cool. Nice fireplace. I checked the heater and make sure it came on. And it does. Now it's not reading the errors, giving me the temperature, and the heater's on. So I know what to do now when we have the error code. The things you learn in RV life. All right, see y'all later. Good morning, y'all. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, I thought she was coming out. But anyway, we're getting ready to go out this morning. See how pretty it is? And it's actually warm. It's actually warm. Take the trash while I'm going. Go over here, turn off the water. We got to go to the grocery store. Lynn's favorite place. But before we do that, we of course gonna get something to eat. That wasn't good. We are at the Davenport Diner. There's a lot of people been talking about this place, so we're gonna try it out this morning. Davenport George. Hey, man. Ooh, look at this. Desserts. Already. Wow. Okay, I just want... They have specials. And then this big menu, which I know this is probably lunch and breakfast. Wow, 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 wow. Now this is a breakfast. All right, see y'all later. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Hi there.
That was good.
It was good.
And a lot of food.
Davenport Diner. Yeah.
If you are in Davenport, I recommend big time because the service was good. The food, they gave you big portions.
Yeah.
But the food was great.
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to come back for another
lunch or dinner.
Dinner.
They do have dinner Wednesday through Saturday nights. I saw that.
And their menu was huge menu.
Mm-hmm.
All right, on to the grocery store.
Woohoo!
We packed our bags and hit the road. With dreams of sunsets, we let them unfold. Every mile we drive, a story to tell. From mountains to rivers, we're under the spell. Enjoy the journey on the way to your destination. We're all about the banks, we're living the dream. With laughter and love, we're a perfect team. We inspire each heart to take the lead. Join our journey, in God's grace we see. With every campsite, we build a new home. Finding joy in the quiet. Magical pond, through captures and cliffs, we share the delight. Together we rise, brighter than the night. Enjoy the journey on the way to your destination.
Get back,
With
turn the
laughter
water
and
on.
love, we're a perfect team. We inspire each heart to take the lead. Join our journey, in God's grace we see. We build a journey on the way to your destination.
I'll get the bag.
We're all about the banks, we're living the dream. We're living the dream. Laughter and love, we're a perfect team. We're a perfect team.
I gotta unlock it. Oh, you did?
Join our journey, in God's grace we
Already
see.
unlocked?
No, I locked it.
We're all about the banks,
I didn't hear it
living the dream.
turn, zip and click and
With
go to
laughter
one.
and love, we're a
Okay.
perfect team.
Me neither.
We inspire each heart.
Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, enjoy the journey on the way to your destination.
Every campsite, we build a new bond, finding joy in the quiet. A magical pond, through captures and clips, we share the delight. Together we rise, brighter than the night. Enjoy the journey on the way to your destination. We're all about the banks, we're all about the banks. We're living the dream. With laughter and love, we're a perfect team. We're a perfect team. We inspire each heart to take the lead. Join our journey, in God's grace we see.